How to hide apps from your home screen on iPhone. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, how to actually hide this from your home screen? Well, that is super easy. All you basically want to do is long hold your screen just like that. Then this sort of like edit screen overview will pop up. Everyone knows how this looks like. Then you want to click on the minus icon on the AliExpress app, for example, because let's say I want to remove that. Then I will get delete app, remove from home screen, and cancel. So I want to obviously click on remove from home screen because this, like it says, will remove it from the home screen, but will not delete it. So now it's gone and it's not here anymore, but it is still here in the app library, as you can see. So how to actually like completely remove this even from your library? Well, that is where this setting comes in your settings. Now, if you go to the screen time settings and then to content and privacy restrictions, then to content restrictions, and then to apps. And over here, you have a couple of different options. Now, this option means the age rating of each of all the apps. So if I were to click on 4+, this will remove almost any app besides most default iPhone apps, and it will hide them from your home screen and the app library. So yeah, that is the option that you might be looking for, because unfortunately you cannot hide a specific app from your home screen and the app library, only from your home screen. It's quite annoying that iPhone doesn't have an option for that exactly, but it's just not possible. So yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.